Have you recently decluttered your home and now you need to keep it clutter-free going forward? Today I'm going to show you one simple thing that you can do to keep your home clutter-free with almost no effort. I'm Marissa from beautifulyorganised.com. Today I'm going to share with you a really simple way to stop new clutter entering and filling up your home. It's just one simple rule, and once you get the hang of it, it pretty much runs on autopilot. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe here to get weekly tips on how to organize your home and your life easily so that you can enjoy a simpler life. Now, I know exactly how it feels to spend hours, days, even weeks decluttering your home. That feeling when you finally get it done and you're loving the result is amazing, but then that feeling kind of goes away because you start to see little things coming into your home again, and all of a sudden stuff is appearing and things are feeling cluttered. I mean, at first it doesn't feel like a lot, it's just a little thing here and there, but then you look around one day and your counters are covered, wardrobes are stuffed, things are just laying around because they don't have a place that they belong in. So today I'm going to show you how to keep your home running smoothly so that when new things come in, it doesn't increase the clutter in your home. And it all happens with one simple rule in your home, and that is this: one comes in, one goes out. So this is how it works. If somebody brings home something new, let's say it's a pair of shoes. Okay, so new shoes are coming into your home. That means a pair of shoes need to go out of your home. Preferably a pair of shoes with the same owner as the ones coming in. If they're damaged, throw them out. If they're still in good condition, you can give them away or donate them or sell them. But the point is, we're not adding to what's in the home, we're switching out what's in the home. And we only have 2 feet and 7 days a week to wear our shoes. We don't need that many pairs. Most of us tend to stick to our favorite 2 or 3 pairs anyway. An everyday pair, a special pair, and then a pair that have some sort of specific purpose, like some sort of sports shoe. That's it. That's fine. Whoever brings them in can just find a place for the new shoes to live. But if all of the places are taken and there's no room to put these new ones, then something has to go in order to free up the space for the new shoes to belong. So it may not be another pair of shoes that somebody's going to part with in order to bring in some room for the new ones, but it needs to be something. What's that saying? A place for everything and everything in its place? If you run out of places, you need to get rid of a thing. Now, is this going to be fun? No. You're probably going to get pushback from your loved ones. It's going to be a bit tricky to start with. But once this rule has been around for a while, it's going to become the new normal for your household. And your kids will even thank you for it when they move out later and they have their own clutter-free homes because they've followed your example. Okay, they probably won't thank you. But it's better than you tripping over everything and then feeling stressed and overwhelmed when you've got clutter again. And it's your house. So one in, one out. If you'd like some more simple tips on how to keep your home tidy and organized really easily, then make sure you grab one of my freebies. Over at beautifulyorganised.com, we have a great laundry hacks video program. It's totally free. It's going to help you see the bottom of your washing basket again and really get a handle on how to do your laundry so that you're not facing mountains and mountains of piles of washing to do. Just click underneath this video and go and grab it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you hit subscribe and tap that notification bell. We also have tons of other videos ready for you to watch right now, including a really helpful one for the type of clutter that comes in that you don't have a choice about, like school notes and other paperwork. If you want to watch that one, it'll be in a link down below, and I will see you in the next video.